Hi guys, how are you today? This is teacher Carla again, okay? And today we will talk about possessive adjectives. Let's go. Possessive adjectives. What is a possessive adjective? Do you know? Mm, let's see. Guys, a possessive adjective is a word which describes a noun by showing who possessed the noun. Okay? For example, I have this beautiful pencil case here. Okay? Can you see? So this pencil case is my pencil case. Okay? This is my pencil case. So, in this case here, for example, whose house is that? Hey, I want to talk to you, please, for a moment. Do you know whose house is that? I don't know. And the other person said to you, yes, of course I know. It's my house. Mine. So, this possessive adjective, my, shows who possessed the noun house. Okay? This case, my shows who possessed the noun house. Understand, guys? This is very, very simple to understand, okay? That the adjectives, the possessive adjectives, just show to you, okay, who possess this thing. In this case here, this is my pencil case, okay? This is my pencil case. In this case, it's my house, okay? So, the possessor is me. If the objective possessed is house, okay? So, guys, pay attention very carefully here. Like a subject pronoun, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Possessive adjectives are identified according to the person they represent. Exactly the same, okay? So let's take a look here. This table here. Personal pronouns, the same subject pronouns, and we have possessive adjectives. Let's see. I have, my. Okay, my corresponding for I. You, your. He, his. She, her. It, its. We, our, they, their. Okay, so repeat with me. I, my. You, your. He, his. She, her. It, its. We, our, they, their. So guys, we have here a few examples. Okay, so let's see. My name is John. My, I. Okay, that is her car. She. This car belongs to her. Okay, this is his house. He. This house here belongs to him. Okay, this is our school. Our, we, you and me. Okay, we. This is your pen. You. Here we have singular or plural. It's the same. Okay, your. Those are their cats. Okay, this cat here belongs to them. They. And this is its toy. It. For example, these cats have a lot of toys. Okay, so this is its toy. Okay, So, now you know all the possessive adjectives. Let's take a look here, some examples. I have this car and I have this lady. So, what do you think it is? This is her car. Exactly, her car. Here I have this sentence. This is, I don't know, math teacher. We like her very much. So we, okay, the possessive adjective for we is our. Yes, our. This is our math teacher. We like her very much. Okay. Now we have these two guys here. Brian is often helped by teacher. Brian is he, and the possessive adjective for he is his teacher. Brian is often helped by his teacher. Okay. Here, I am the parents, the mother and the father. I often watch television with I. What's the possessive adjective for I? My. Yes. Okay. I often watch television with my parents. Yes. Guys, I have here a priest and children. Okay. So this is church. They go there every Sunday. So look the noun. The subject pronoun here is they. And the possessive adjective for they is their. This is their church. They go there every Sunday. Yes, guys, there and there have the same pronunciation, okay? These two words here have the same pronunciation, okay? And we have the third, yes, the contracted form of the verb to be, they are exactly the same, there, okay? There, and there. Here we have two girls, yes. And the first one talk. What's Tanana's name? The second girl's answer. My name is Sue. So I'm asking you. So what's the possessive adjective for you? Your. Yes. What's your name? It's the first question I asked for you in our first class. Remember? The first question. What's your name? My name is Sue. My name is Carla. Okay? So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy. Okay? So, we will see very, very soon. Bye-bye. See you.